Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another DHS vlogs. Hope you guys are all doing fine and hope you are having a very good day. Welcome back once again. I'm back with another new video for you guys. And many people are asking, sir, what was the update for the tooth regeneration? I got some news, but I did not confirm it. So I was waiting that when I will get the authentic news, I will share for you guys. So please do watch all the vlog till end to get the complete understanding of the latest news which I'm going to share. Okay, guys, there is a interview given by Mr. Katsu Takahashi on a dental forum in which he explained and corrected all the dates which were happening in this trial. First of all, he said that the clinical trial started from 2024 in Kyoto University, and the study included 30 healthy males, which, according to him, their ages were between 30 to 64 years. So what we knew that these people were around 30, 35, or maybe around 40 years, but now he explained that people were around 64 years also. It means many of the people which used to ask me, sir, will the old people or will the people who have ages which are above 50 years can regrow the teeth or not? So this is the answer for you. Next of all, he said that when we administered this injection IV through IV route in the first phase, what was the chart, or what was the experimental analysis which they gathered from these people were that in the first, listen very carefully, in the first 2 to 3 months there was nothing. The patients did not feel anything, there was no growth, nothing of all. But when they passed the 4th month, people started to feel pressure and tingling sensation on the side of regrowth of the tooth. Which teeth were targeted for regrowth, they started to feel a little bit of swelling and tingling on that side. And when they started to do x-rays, the x-rays showed that there was tooth bud which was forming in some kind of a it was taking some kind of a shape like a tooth. So they did the x-rays, and about 10 to 12 months, listen carefully, 12 to 10 months, the tooth started to erupt very fast and started to move in the bone towards the gums which was erupting outside that socket. So it took almost 10 to 12 months for the formation of the tooth. So as I was telling that around 10 to 12 months the tooth started to erupt. So all the hypothesis and all the things we used to talk about that it will take around 1 year, it is now confirmed that it will take 10 to 12 months for that special tooth which you want to regrow to get out of that gums, to get out of that socket and can regrow again. So one of the patients, which was a male, he there were certain experiments they were checking on it, and he was giving some kind of interview to some podcast, and he told that I felt no pain, but I felt occasional pressure, tingling, and a little bit swelling in my jawbone when my tooth was starting to form. So these were the analysis which were told by the patient, and Dr. Katsu Takahashi shared it. As far as he was saying about the chart of all patients, so he said that it will take a little bit of more time. But at the end of this interview, he told that we have entered into the phase 2, in which they will tell about the exact number of teeth you can regrow with this drug. So this is a proper news. Good news is that first 2-3 months there is nothing. 4 to 6 months patients start to feel tingling sensation. But the good and the best news is that there is no pain in this procedure unless the tooth is almost ready to erupt. So these patients are almost in that stage in which their tooth will come out of their mouth. Specific targeted sites for tooth eruption. Remember that. If you are targeting left side, they will scan only the left side, and this administration will be done with different nerve blocks and also IV medication to grow teeth on this side. So they are targeting in segments. like 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. Want to regrow on this side, they will regrow on this side. You want to regrow on this side, this drug will not do some kind of magic that suddenly all your teeth will grow from here, 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 everywhere. They will target the sites. So remember that. Now for my Indian followers, I'm sorry once again यार, मैं फिर से लेट हूँ. आप सबका प्यार का बहुत शुक्रिया. आप लोग पूछते रहते हैं. मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा था और थोड़ा सा बिजी था, जैसे कि मैं हमेशा ही बोलता हूँ. तो उस पर यह है कि गुड न्यूज़ है ये कि कोयोटो में डॉक्टर कात्सुता काशिनी का ऑफिशियल बयान दिया है एक न्यूज़पेपर को. लिंक भी मैं शेयर कर दूंगा. जिसमें उन्होंने बताया है कि जो पेशेंट्स जिसमें एडमिनिस्टर किया, पहले तो उनकी एज उन्होंने कंफर्म की है कि वो 30 से 65 साल के दरमियान है. मतलब कि उसमें बड़े एल्डरली लोग भी शामिल हैं, जो हमारे सीनियर्स हैं, जो 50 से ऊपर है. जो अक्सर लोग मुझे पूछते थे क्या ये जवानों के लिए है कि बूढ़े भी कर सकते हैं. और दूसरा उन्होंने ये बताया है कि पहले जब हमने ये इंजेक्शन ड्रिप के जरिए, आईवी के जरिए हमने आईवी एडमिनिस्टर किया पेशेंट्स में, तो पहले तो 2-3 महीने कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. चौथे से 5वें महीने में पेशेंट्स को जो रीग्रोथ वाली साइट्स थी वहां पे टिंगलिंग, स्वेलिंग और ऐसे कुछ चीज उधर से जैसे रीग्रो कर रही है, प्रेशर है. और 10 to 12 मंथ्स जब गुजर गए तो जब एक्सरेज हुए तो पता लगा कि दांत पूरा तैयार हो गया है और ऑलमोस्ट इरप्शन के लिए रेडी है. बेस जारी बात है, इस सब में उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा स्कैन्स और एक्सरेज किए होंगे, लेकिन वो मोटा मोटा हमें बता रहे हैं कि क्या हुआ है और क्या हो रहा है. तो अब इसमें डिटेल्स लोग पूछना शुरू करते हैं, सर वो कैसे हुआ, कितने महीने. अभी वो डिटेल्स इस तरह वो शेयर नहीं कर रहे. तो ये कंफर्म न्यूज है और मैं इंशाल्लाह लिंक भी शेयर कर दूंगा. इसलिए मैंने वेट किया था कि मुझे कंफर्म हो जाए तो आपसे शेयर करूं. दूसरा एक अच्छी बात है कि अब हमें कंफर्म हो गया कि 10 से 12 महीने में, साल के अंदर दांत आपका उग सकता है. एक और चीज उन्होंने शेयर की है, उन्होंने मुंह के 4 सेगमेंट्स के हिसाब से दांत रीग्रो करने हैं. जैसे कि आपने राइट पे रीग्रो करना है तो राइट पे होगा. उसमें नर्व ब्लॉक्स भी यूज कर रहे हैं, उसमें इरप्शन के लिए आईवीज भी यूज कर रहे हैं, और टारगेट साइट्स हैं. टारगेट साइट से मुराद है दांतों की हड्डी के इधर इंजेक्शंस भी कोई लग रहे हैं जो इरप्शन को बढ़ा रहे हैं. ये सब कंबाइंड प्रोसीजर के साथ फिर यूसेक 1 को इंजेक्शन फॉर्म में यूज किया जा रहा है. फिर ये सब हो रहा है. ये अब ये समझ आ रही है कि क्वाड्रेंट्स के हिसाब से दांत हमारे रीग्रो होंगे. राइट क्वाड्रेंट ऊपर नीचे ग्रो कर सकता है, लेफ्ट क्वाड्रेंट ऊपर नीचे. ये नहीं कि एकदम ही सारे निकल आएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. ये भी कुछ क्लियर हुआ है और इंशाल्लाह मोर शेयर करूंगा. जैसी मुझे मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है आई विल शेयर फॉर यू गाइज. थैंक्स वंस अगेन. गर्मी भी बहुत हो रही है तो इसलिए सी यू आफ्टर सम टाइम. कीप वॉचिंग एंड लविंग एंड शेयरिंग माई व्लॉग. All this effort is only because of you, my YouTube family. Allah.